Your legs, they used to carry you without complaint. But now they whisper pain before you even get out of bed. They tighten up after sitting for too long. Some mornings, they feel like anchors. So heavy, so stiff, it's as if someone poured cement into them overnight. And you've probably told yourself, well, I guess this is what getting older feels like. But deep down, something inside you knows better. Something whispers, this isn't how it's supposed to be. And you're right. So hear me now. What I'm about to share doesn't come from a bottle, a prescription, or a TV ad. It comes from something older than medicine. It comes from the earth, from the soil beneath your feet. These are foods, real, healing vegetables that are quietly helping people over 60 walk stronger, feel lighter, and in some cases, move like they did 30 years ago. If your legs feel like they've given up on you, I want you to stay with me, because the truth is, they haven't. You are not finished, and this could be the turning point your body's been waiting for. Let me tell you a quick story. My father, at 72, was a proud man, walked everywhere, rain or shine. But then the pain came, first in the knees, then the calves, then the feet. It got to the point where one day I saw him sit at the edge of his bed, stare down at his legs and say, I don't trust them anymore. That broke me. But we didn't give up. We started looking not for pills, but for healing. Real healing. And what we found changed everything. That's why I'm sharing it with you. Now here's the truth. Your leg pain isn't just about aging. It's about inflammation, poor circulation, and nutrient loss. Think of your legs like an old engine. They don't stop because they're old. They stop because they haven't been maintained. And the good news? Maintenance is possible, and it starts with food. Let's begin with a humble hero. Sweet potatoes. They're soft, sweet, and full of magnesium and potassium. Two minerals your legs are begging for. These nutrients relax muscles, reduce nighttime cramping, and provide steady, clean energy. Try baking one for lunch, drizzling it with a little olive oil. It's not just comfort food, it's leg fuel. Then comes spinach. I call this the green river because it boosts blood flow like nothing else. It's rich in nitric oxide, which helps open your arteries and deliver more oxygen to your legs. More oxygen means less pain, less swelling, more strength. Add it to your eggs in the morning or blend it into a smoothie. You'll feel the difference. Next is beetroot, the battery charger of older adults. Studies have shown that beets help older folks walk longer distances without fatigue. They literally awaken blood vessels in the lower body. Roasted beets, beet juice, even pickled. Just get them in. Let's not forget broccoli, your bone builder. Behind weak legs, there are often weak bones. Broccoli delivers vitamin K, calcium, and antioxidants that help rebuild density. If you've been told your knees are bone on bone, don't give up. Start steaming broccoli just twice a week. Let your bones remember how to rebuild. Now here's something people overlook. Carrots. If your legs tingle or feel numb, this could be nerve damage. Carrots, rich in vitamin A and beta-carotene, help restore the connection between your brain and your legs. They calm oxidative stress, recharge nerve signals, and give you steadier balance. Eat them raw, eat them roasted. Just eat them. Now let's talk inflammation. Kale is the king here. Inflammation is the fire behind your leg pain. Kale doesn't just cool that fire, it puts it out at the root. It's packed with omega-3s and vitamin C. You can saute it with garlic, toss it into soup, or blend it with fruits. The pain won't just lessen, it can reverse. Speaking of garlic, yes, it's more than flavor. Garlic improves circulation, especially in the legs. That means less heaviness, warmer feet, and smoother movement. Crush it, Let it sit 10 minutes, then cook with it. It's a small ritual that brings big relief. And finally, avocados. Technically a fruit, but trust me, it deserves a place here. With magnesium, healthy fats, and potassium, it restores tired muscles. Half an avocado a day has helped countless seniors regain balance and stamina. When your legs feel fueled, you walk younger. That's not hype, it's healing. Now, take a breath with me. I want to say this clearly. You are not broken. Your legs have carried you through a lifetime of work, family, hardship, and joy. Don't give up on them. Start by choosing just one of these foods. Then two. Then build it into your life. And slowly, you'll begin to stand stronger, walk steadier, and feel something you haven't felt in a long time. Hope. If this message speaks to you, write strong in the comments below. Let that be your promise to yourself. Like this video if it helped you. Share it with someone whose legs are crying out for healing. And don't forget to subscribe, because every week, I share natural ways for you to reclaim your strength. Why? Your peace and your power. This is elder wisdom, where strength has no age, and your best walk, it might still be ahead.